Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add images in Google My Business listing. I hope you have created a Google My Business listing. You can search for My Business or your business name on Google using the same Gmail ID from which you have created your Google My Business listing. And if you have not created your Google My Business listing, then I would recommend you to kindly visit our YouTube channel and check out our Google My Business listing playlist, and from there you can come to know how to create your Google My Business listing. Or if your Google My Business listing has already been created and you don't know using which email ID you have created that particular listing, then also you can check out our playlist. I have mentioned a detailed video over there about how to claim your Google My Business listing, right? So I hope you have created your Google My Business listing, and here you will get a section of photos. You just need to click on this, and here you need to click on add photos, and here you can simply select those photos from your system which you want to update or upload on your Google My Business listing. For example, I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on open, and automatically that particular photo has been uploaded and is in pending stage, right? Google will review this photo, whether this photo is correct as per our business model, and like many other certain checks are there, like is this photo clear one or not, and again, is it altered or not, right? So Google check all these parameters of your photograph, and then will automatically approve your photo. So this is how you can upload your images of your business in Google My Business listing. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.